Hey everyone, so, shit, start again. Hey everyone, so, I made a website called, what the domain is ufoverse.art, or www.ufoverse.art, you can see at the bottom, and this is where, literally, this is a permanent website, I'm paying for it and everything, and it will be basically where you will see most of my, creativity. That's, I don't know how to explain it. It's like I want a place where I can just put all my creativity that you can then look at, see, experience, whatever. This can go across the whole board, but obviously you'll still have my YouTube videos and all the stuff on YouTube as well. It's just something like, let's just say I'm in a video and I'm like, oh, I made this piece of software for this, and then you will be like, well, where did you get it? Well, you just go to ufoverse.art/whatever it is, and then something along those lines, and there you go. You know what I mean? Obviously, there'll be the GitHub stuff as well, somewhere in here as well, and all kinds of other stuff, not just web apps, but also like I'm thinking about some kind of a interactive blog type thing, but not like your typical boring blog, but something a bit more interesting, website experiments, some form of diary thing, and truly so much more than that, like some kind of place where I can have my Patreon and Subscribe Star related stuff that's coming in the future, also for games development and things like that. Also updates on like what I'm doing in my life. This will be a place to go. I'm gonna have like a little some kind of a cool looking update thing, so you can have see what I'm doing recently and stuff like that. This website isn't even close to finished, by the way. This is literally the first day that it's been online, so you can tell, and it's not going to have this color scheme. It's going to be, it will have themes that you can use. The main theme is supposed to be like monochromatic rainbow colors, if that makes any sense. Or actually maybe not so kind of monochromatic, but more rainbow, so it's like you can see different colors, but they're in a sort of light and darker colors, if that makes some kind of sense. Just, I know what I'm talking about. It's the kind of like closer to black and white rainbow, if that makes sense, but it's not black and white fully, although it is in some places. It's that kind of thing. If you're thinking that this is just going to be some pointless piece of shit that you're not going to check, trust me, like, you can already, like, well, maybe I don't want to spoil it, but I already got the apps up there and that you can look at if you're doing game development and stuff like that. There's going to be so much on here. It's kind of like a complement to what's on the YouTube channel. Do you know what I mean? Because you go to the YouTube channel, which, by the way, the link will be in there as well. So if I go to my YouTube channel, right, you can see now here the first link is Ufoverse. Then there's my email, which still works, and then my Discord, which I don't even know if anybody looks at. I need to change these icons, and I might change this background as well to make something new. And I know I've got this channel logo. This is I like the picture, I do, and I might keep it around for now. But obviously, when I get my new camera, I'm gonna and more clothes stuff, and it just, I don't know what to do about that, because the problem is that I feel like not only is this my channel, but it's like everybody's looking at this channel, so I don't know, it's how far do I want to go with my femininity, you know what I mean, before it, like, people might get surprised by that or something. So I don't know, it's really irritating. So don't know about that, but yeah, it just the reason why I created the website is because I wanted to have a place where people could go to see what I'm up to, perhaps, or could see all these pieces of, like, see all my work that I'm doing. Do you know what I mean? Like my games, my software, personal stuff, website stuff, there's going to be much more. It's just going to be like an extension, because if I just started doing, let's say I started doing gardening, for example, and I started with, making content around that, and then I would have like stuff on here related to it or something like that. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. I just feel like this would be, and it's like not, it's like an extension or a complement or more ways to experience that kind of stuff. And also, when I actually finally do get to the point where I can make products, there will be some kind of a store related to this and somewhere in here. So it might be on a different domain, I don't know, but it'll be similar name but different domain, different whatever the other thing is called. But yeah, so if you want to see what I'm up to, obviously check the video, the YouTube, or my community channel, because I also update my community thing, which I don't know if anybody knows that. Oh shit, sorry. But I don't know if anybody checks the fucking community channel, but somebody did, which I'm really happy. The 2 people, I'm so happy about that. That people are actually like seeing this. So you can check here. This will probably be the first places I go to, and then on the website as well. So it's so cool, and I just want to, say thank you to everyone, even the people who want to speak to me, who don't want to speak to me. Everybody, thank you for everybody who's on this channel. I know, yeah, I do. There's a lot more coming, and as I've spoke about in what's been going on, currently I'm, like I said, working on the videography, trying to figure it out how I'm going to do it, because everything's all kind of new and different and old and stuff. So yeah, but yeah, so if you're wondering what editor I'm using for my website stuff, I use Code, which is like an open source version of the VS Code, and it's so good, it's decent. So that's pretty cool. And then I'm using at the moment FileZilla to upload, so that's cool. And then I've got Kitty for my terminal, stuff like that. But yeah, it's cool. Anyways, oh, that's nothing. And I also have my contact details on there, so if you wanted to know what my WhatsApp is, or my email, or my mobile number, believe it or not, yes, my mobile number, or anything like that, so you can get in contact with me in some form. It's going to be up here all constantly and always being updated whenever a new one comes up, and I get to updating it. I'm also going to be posting a bunch of photography on here and pictures and just stuff that's going on. So just think of it like just another way to see what I'm up to and see what I'm working on, or get access to what I'm working on. I don't know. I don't really want to put it into only one little thing, because it might change or be more better than what it is. Basically, it's just an extension to my channel and everything else that I'm doing creatively, or philosophy. And that's nothing. Yeah, it just can go over. It can go wherever the fuck it wants. It's an eclectic, personal channel. No, personal is probably not right. It's an eclectic anatomical expression. There we go, on the internet. Also, I'm very proud of the fact that I got .art instead of .com or .org or .net. So yeah, very cool. I should make a video. I'm probably going to make a video at some point on a lot of shit, but one of the things I want to make a video on is how to actually set up your own web server from an unmanaged point of view, because I feel like there needs to be more of them out there. So mine might help those people who want to make their own website. It's not that complicated. You basically just have like some kind of a web host or virtual private server, unmanaged or managed, and then some kind of a domain name registrar, and then you do some kind of like spaghetti copying and pasting of IP addresses, name servers, and host names in things called A records and possibly CNAME records, and then you have to go, if you've got an unmanaged private server, then you can just go in and like through your shell, like I did, and I did obviously with tutorials and things to help, because it can be very challenging, and you just go in there and what's I trying to say? Install Apache and all that kind of stuff, and then you need to probably an SSL certificate. Otherwise, it will keep saying your website's not secure. So you can use certbot for that. But yeah, so anyways, yeah, so it's pretty cool, fun. Anyways, I think that's all for this. So hopefully you'll see me around soon. Hopefully the videos won't take months to come out. I can't promise it, but yeah, just there's a lot going on, you know, relatives' birthdays and shit like that. So it's my own birthday eventually. Yeah, so June the 5th, if you're wondering. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Thank you all for watching. I love you all. Bye.